Choosing replacement doors for your home is an important decision that affects security, energy efficiency, and overall appearance. For homeowners in Pasadena, selecting the right door can make a noticeable difference in comfort and long-term value. However, there are several common mistakes that can lead to poor performance or unnecessary expenses. Understanding what to avoid can help you make a smarter, more confident investment. One of the most common mistakes is focusing only on appearance. While style and design are important, they shouldn't be the only factors guiding your decision. A door that looks great but lacks durability or proper insulation may not perform well over time. In Pasadena's climate, where heat and sun exposure can be significant, it's essential to choose a door that combines visual appeal with strong materials and reliable performance. Another mistake is overlooking energy efficiency. Many homeowners don't realize how much a door can impact indoor temperature. Doors that are poorly insulated or not properly sealed can allow air to leak in and out, making your home less comfortable and increasing energy costs. When choosing replacement doors, look for options with insulated cores and quality weather stripping to help maintain a consistent indoor environment. Ignoring material quality is also a common issue. Not all doors are built the same, and choosing a low-quality material can lead to problems such as warping, cracking, or fading. In Pasadena, where doors are exposed to sunlight and changing weather conditions, durable materials like fiberglass or steel often perform better than less resilient options. Investing in high-quality materials helps ensure long-term reliability and reduces the need for frequent repairs. Another mistake is not considering security features. Your entry door is one of the main access points to your home, so it's important to prioritize safety. Some homeowners focus on aesthetics and overlook features such as reinforced frames, strong locking systems, and impact-resistant construction. Choosing a door with enhanced security features provides peace of mind and adds an extra layer of protection for your home and family. Poor measurements can also lead to problems. Replacement doors need to fit precisely within the existing frame. Incorrect measurements can result in gaps, improper sealing, or difficulty opening and closing the door. This not only affects performance but can also lead to drafts and moisture issues. Working with professionals ensures accurate measurements and a proper fit. Another common mistake is underestimating the importance of professional installation. Even the best door won't perform well if it's not installed correctly. Improper installation can lead to air leaks, water intrusion, and reduced security. Professional installers ensure that the door is aligned, sealed, and secured properly, maximizing its performance and lifespan. Homeowners sometimes overlook how the door will function in their daily routine. For example, choosing a door that doesn't open in a practical direction or lacks convenient features can lead to frustration over time. It's important to consider how you use your entryway and select a door that fits your lifestyle, offering both ease of use and functionality. Another mistake is neglecting maintenance requirements. Some materials require more upkeep than others, and failing to consider this can lead to additional work in the future. Choosing a low-maintenance option can save time and effort while still providing long-lasting performance. Budgeting incorrectly is also something to watch out for. While it may be tempting to choose the lowest cost option, this can lead to higher expenses in the long run due to repairs or replacements. Instead, focus on value, balancing cost with quality, durability, and performance to ensure you get the most out of your investment. Finally, many homeowners don't think about how a new door will complement the rest of their home. A mismatched style can affect curb appeal and overall design. Choosing a door that aligns with your home's architecture creates a more cohesive and attractive look. In the end, avoiding these common mistakes can make a big difference when choosing replacement doors in Pasadena. By focusing on quality, efficiency, security, and proper installation, you can ensure your new door enhances both the comfort and value of your home for years to come.